We know this. This is a triangle. It has a base of C. It has a height of AC. And the area of a triangle, of course. The area, and my point is that the area is function 1. Amazing. That's just terrific. Will be the area of this triangle here is 1/2 of the base times the height. That's the area, and calculus will tell us that's function 1. So this function is, this is 1/2 of A times t squared. So there is a function 1, and here is df dt. If I go back to the first letters that I mentioned, if this is my function f, then this is my function.
Okay, so that's
what kind of a curve?
that's the kind of performance, and of course pictures too, right? All kinds of pictures down there that I can just scroll through. Anyway, yeah, it just went from a really odd 6 gigabytes of memory, 2 cards in there. One was 4 and the other was 2. So I just slipped in 2 times 8, two 8 GB cards, and yeah, I got a little error at the beginning when I booted up, but it seems to be it was an error message, but yeah, working great. And what a difference a bit of memory, extra memory makes in the not necessarily the speed of your computer, but how many things you can do at once fairly quickly. So if you have multiple pages open or multiple documents or whatever it is you're playing, you can play multiple songs, multiple videos if you have enough memory. So I would suggest anybody who wants to increase the performance of your computer, the cheapest and most cost-effective way to do it is just, well, go double the memory. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.